Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a super exciting video of our FabFitFun box for spring 2023. I am over the moon that this got here. It literally showed up to my doorstep minutes ago and I immediately set up all my equipment and decided to sit down and open it because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So as you can tell, it is FabFitFun's birthday box. They are, I believe, 10 years old, which is wild. I have actually been a subscriber of theirs for quite a long time of that. So I'm super happy that they made it to the 10-year mark and I'm so excited to see everything that's in this box. I already forgot everything that I customized, so I'm really excited to open it up as a nice little surprise to myself. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, they are a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. You can get anything imaginable in this box and it's all so high quality. The value of this box is so good consistently every single time, and I am so incredibly excited to dive into this one. If you aren't already a subscriber of FabFitFun, you can go ahead and use my link. I will put it down in the description box for you to save $10 off of your first box. With all of that being said, let's open her up. This is what it looks like when you open it. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. First thing we have in here is our mystery bag. I'm so excited for this one. Every single time you can pick some add-ons and I always get the mystery bag because it's always well worth the money. I'm really excited to see what's in it, but I'm actually gonna save it for the end because I wanna see what I picked out. And then on the inside, we have a HelloFresh coupon as well as a 10-year anniversary box. And you can see if you win $10,000 prize pack. If you match 4 cakes in a row, you win. So I think we should just scratch this off right now. I got really excited because it says match 4 cakes in a row and I got 4 cakes, but they're all different colors. So I don't think that counts. So I did not win, but that's okay. Hopefully one of you did. Let's see what I picked up. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is the Commodity Gold Perfume. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting to try this Commodity perfume for so long. I've heard such amazing things. So Commodity is a very interesting perfume company because they have 3 different levels of their perfume. So they have like a personal, an expressive, and then something else, I can't remember what it is. And it is a, oh, they even have it on here, a personal, expressive, and a bold. This is the expressive. And the Commodity Gold is one of their most popular fragrances. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see what this smells like. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I think the top is metal. Okay. Let's hope we like it. That smells so good. I describe it as very vanilla, true vanilla for sure. With like a little bit of like amberwood or sandalwood, something very earthy. It's so like sexy, but also very cozy and super warm. Like it almost smells like, it just smells exactly like how I want to smell. Oh my God, okay. Well, first one's already an absolute win. I'm so excited about this. Okay, cool. Next thing I'm seeing in here is from Sprinkles. Okay, these are super fun. Although I don't think that this is what I picked. Okay, so I did not get these. This is not what I picked. And I'm also noticing something else in here, which is also not what I picked. So this is the Honest Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer. Both of these are fantastic products, and don't get me wrong, I'm happy to have them, but I actually picked the super thick hair thing and also the Amika hydration treatment, not these. I actually picked the Super Thick Hair Serum and the Amika Hair Treatment, not these. So I'll reach out to them and see what kind of happened there. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm happy to have these. It's just not quite what I picked. And having 2 out of the 6 customizations be wrong is a little bit sad, but I am excited to have these, and they have great customer service, so I am not super worried about this, but I'm not gonna open these in case they want me to send them back. We'll see how that goes. But of the things that I did actually customize and receive, we do have the Cryo Ice Sake Roller, and this is so cool. So this is a ice roller that you put in the fridge, and it helps to depuff your skin and sculpt and detox it. I am really excited about this. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Okay, so obviously it's not gonna be cold right now. Okay, it's a little bit cold, but I could see how this could get really cold. So it's essentially this little stainless steel thing on the bottom, and I think it turns pink when it's cold, which is so cute. I love this. I think this is so adorable. Then we have this adorable NCLA Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. Look how cute this packaging is. It's like little birthday cakes, and it is in the scent birthday cake. One sleep till your birthday lips. That's so cute. Okay. Ooh, look how cute this little guy is. My lips have been so dehydrated recently, so I am definitely excited for this. It has a nice little fancy safety seal. Oh, it totally smells like birthday cake. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Kind of like a jelly. Oh, that is liquidy. Okay, not what I expected. Definitely smells like cake. Not necessarily frosting, but cake for sure. And it doesn't really have a taste. I like it though. Makes my lips feel super smooth. So I am excited to have this by my nightstand. And the last thing we have in here are a pair of Kate Spade sunglasses. I can't remember which style. I picked the Samantha. So I've worn the same pair of sunglasses for probably going on 8 to 10 years now. I just found them at a Walgreens one day and I just keep buying them. I am obsessed with them, and I feel like now that I'm more of an adult, I think it's probably good for me to have a pair of not $20 sunglasses. So when I saw these, I decided to take the gamble and see if I like them. So we're gonna see if they actually look good on my face because I'm so picky. But this is what they look like. Like I said, they are Kate Spade. This is so cute. Okay. Let's see if I feel like Samantha. Oh, see, this is just not for me. So those are gonna be a no. I will be giving these to one of my friends most likely, but that's totally okay because they're still super nice sunglasses. They come in the little Kate Spade pouch. And that was everything in this box. So gotta be honest, kind of disappointed considering I didn't actually get the things that I customized. But like I said, I'll reach out to them. And if they get back to me by the time that this video goes live, I will let you know what the situation ends up being. But let's see what's in my mystery box. It's not really a super mystery considering it comes in clear packaging, but let's see what they gave me anyway. So these mystery pouches, I guess, are a $20 add-on that you can add, and they're always just well worth the price. So I am going to see what we got. The first thing I'm noticing is the set of scrunchies. Can never have too many scrunchies. These are from Summer and Rose. These are really cute. Okay, so we have a green plaid one, a blue kind of floral print, and then a pink floral print. These are really cute. I can't tell if they're satin or not, but they certainly feel like they are. They're polyester and spandex, but they're super, super soft. So I'm excited for these. Super good for the spring for sure. And then the other thing I saw in here is this Skin Chemist Pure Caffeine Serum to anti-age, tighten, and smooth your skin. That's what that one looks like. Okay, cool. Love good serum, can never have too many. And then we have this very much a mystery item in a white box. This is from Bando, I don't know. But I love this brand, and I'm guessing that this is a cup, which I'm, this is cute. Okay, so this is a travel cup. I love this already. Okay, so it says going places, which is so cute. And then it has kind of a twist top right here, so you can twist it to open. This is so cute. I really, really like this. Well, okay, well, this is definitely a win. I feel like for a mystery, that was pretty good. I mean, that serum is definitely more than $20, and I'm pretty sure this is too. And then on the inside, it just has some instructions, and it's just stainless steel. So this is so cute. I am really excited about this one. I have to say my favorite thing that I got is definitely the perfume. Hands down, way too excited about it. And then probably this, because it's so cute and I know I'm gonna get a ton of use out of it. So great. All right, well, I am not 100% sure how I feel about this box, but I love FabFitFun, and I have a feeling their customer service is going to make up for the fact that my box is wrong and not let me down. But keep my fingers crossed. If you would like to try FabFitFun, like I said, I will leave my link down below to save $10 off of your first box. I'll put the value up on the screen of what everything that I actually received ends up being, and then what I should have received as well, so you can kind of see the comparison there. I am super happy, and I would love to know your thoughts. Did you customize the same things? Did you also get your customizations mixed up? Let me know. I am always happy to hear your feedback, and if you haven't already, definitely subscribe so you can stick around when my next video goes live. I look forward to seeing you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!